I know I will never let my grandfather down. That is my promise to my grandfather. And I have nothing to worry about because I know my grandfather is watching from above. It's my mother and my father who are the most important people. And if they have agreed, nobody else is anything to say. As a family, we're all together, but professionally, each to its own. I would have definitely loved to work with my father and in henna, but unfortunately, my chacha is the hero of the movie, so you don't expect the niece to act opposite the uncle, so please don't be so unfair.
Karishma, what role do Shashi Kapoor, Rishi Kapoor play in your life? Do you ask them for their advice where your career is concerned?
Well, as a family, we are together, but professionally, each to its own. And it's not like that. I mean, my parents are the most important thing, so I don't think it's my mother and my father who are the most important people. And if they have agreed, nobody else is anything to say. As a family, we're all together, but professionally, each to its own. Everybody minds their own thing.
Since you have come from the RK family, the expectation is very high from you. How will you live up to it?
Well, I know I will never let my grandfather down. That is my promise to my grandfather. And I have nothing to worry about because I know my grandfather is watching from above. He's guiding me, he's watching, and I know that I will live up to the expectations of the people. I know what I have to live up to.
Start. Camera. Action.
I have got it. Ami said, एक case.
ये जो सब करेक्ट है, साली क्या वाला?
Why didn't you star in Henna, your home production?
Well, I would have definitely loved to work with my father and in henna, but unfortunately, my chacha is the hero of the movie, so it's only obvious I cannot work opposite him. I mean, don't make it out like that. My grandfather had chosen Chintu uncle, so you don't expect the niece to act opposite the uncle, so please don't be so unfair.
Did Raj Kapoor know about your ambition, about your inclination towards films?
Definitely. In fact, he was my inspiration. He knew that I was going to become an actress. And I always told him, and he always used to say, Lolo baby, I know you will become. But I just want to tell you one thing. If you become an actress, you be the best, otherwise don't. He used to do this and tell me, you know.
Generally, the girls in the Raj Kapoor Khandan are not allowed to act. How did you...
Well, I think it's out of their choice. After all, my whole family is full of actors and actresses. I mean, both my father and his brother have married heroines also. So if they could marry a heroine, why can't they work out? It's the same thing. It means the same thing.
But then once they come into the family, they quit the profession.
I don't know why everybody is under this illusion. In fact, my father encourages me now. And he always tells me, don't let the Kapoor name down. And he's the one who is very much behind me, and I take his advice. We all sit together and discuss. It's nothing like that. I just want everybody to get this out of their minds, that of this thing.
Whose advice do you value most, your mother's or your father's?
Yeah. Both definitely. I consult my father and I consult my mother, and they both mutually decide what is best for me.
But who has a better say?
No, both of them. It's not that at all.
Start.
Camera. Shot it, take 4.
Action.
Reference दोगे?
वो किस्त मेरा हो चुका है, राइट? मगर अभी मैंने इस किस्त को अपने हित में साबित किया। मुझे ये तो साबित कर लेंगे कि मैं फाइटर हूँ, और ये साबित करने के लिए मुझे ऐसा केस चाहिए कि मेरी अदालत को अपने पैरों पर।
Could you tell us how did you feel on the first day of your shooting?
Oh, it was a beautiful experience. I have waited so long for that moment to face that camera. It was very nice. There was Salman Khan and Reema Lagoo, and we did a small scene. It was very nice. The director is so nice, so sweet. He's excellent. And everybody made me feel very comfortable. That was the first time I'd ever faced a camera. I have never given a screen test to anybody. So it was the first time, and the whole unit was very comfortable. It was very nice.
Well, Karisma, who will be launching you?
See, I just want to tell you, nobody is launching me or nobody is giving me another break. I'm working in Outside Films, and there is no that this person is launching me, this person's movie is coming first. Whichever one of my films is completed first, whether it's Bappi Uncles or Chucky Das, they're welcome to release it first.
What are your future plans? Are you going to stick to this acting profession?
Well, definitely, and as the Kapoors say, the show must go on.